Just so you know how unfair the world is. This is a Monroe County deputy on a BMW GS in front of me. Yeah. That's almost cheating. Thank God the blue lights on that bag are really easy to spot. Part of me just wants to follow him around all day. 'Cause how fun would that be? Everybody hit the like button if you want me to follow him around. 'Cause I'll do it. Usually when I see them, they're parked on the side of the road. It's rare to see one out in nature. He's got a laser gun on the side of his bike too. That's just cheating. This is part of Monroe County. They're trying to make money from motorcycles. All right. Pulled into the Cheerhala Market. Where do you guys want to go now? Now we know where one of them is. There's two more.